This is my 2012 Chrysler Town & Country minivan. I recently upgraded this from my 1988 Chevy S10. Having always been a fan of camper vans, it was a pretty obvious step to turn this into one. Even though it's not a real big van, it has a lot of room for me, and I didn't really know what to do with all of it. I had plans laid out just like this, but I haven't really stuck to them at all because a lot of things have gone wrong. But the one standard will be the kitchen in the back. In the last videos, I've built a couch and a bed, which are both pretty much the same thing, and I've encountered a lot of challenges. Making them too tall and having to take them back apart were the main ones. So I got started on my kitchen. This should be easy, it's just another box I have to build like the couch and the bed. Okay, so there's these three posts right here. Door goes in right here, and then, nope, door goes in right there. Long piece of plywood right across here. And the last tiny segment of 2x2 that I could find that was 9 inches long had this horrible knot in it, and it cracked, so might be a little bump in the back of the wall on this. That's okay though. Now I had to make doors to access my kitchen from the inside of my van. I had this plan laid out, where I'd have the two doors side by side, window locks to keep them from flying open, and these two packs of hinges. I just open the door like that, and they'd just be like any other kitchen. But that didn't work out because the screws were too long for the plywood. So I had to put that little block of wood behind the screws and make them look like that. But that's okay. The kitchen fit great and everything was going well. I'm going to use this metal bowl and this water jug from Walmart to make my sink. Well, with that, I was done with my van. All I had to do were to fix some odds and ends, but I had my couch, my bed, cushions, everything was good. I even had a sink with a drain in it. It turned out really well. Thanks for watching.